Today I'm going to teach you how to play a simple game to earn cryptocurrency on the Fediverse, introducing you to the concepts of each technology along the way. The Fediverse is a network of servers similar to email, but instead of delivering email, it primarily delivers microblogging statuses, similar to Twitter. You could call it a distributed open source Twitter. Pleroma is one of the server softwares that run the Fediverse. There are other softwares too, but we'll stick with the Pleroma one for right now for reasons that will be clear later. 10 Grands is a crypto token on the Ubiq cryptocurrency network. You can use it on the Fediverse using a special bot. The bot lets you deposit and withdraw to and from a regular crypto wallet, but I'll be covering that in a separate video. Finally, Random Encounter is a bot on the Fediverse that plays a simple game. A monster is posted on its feed, and the players must react with specific emojis to the monster, which will defeat the monster and reward you with 10 Grands tokens. So the first step is that we will have to create an account on a server on the Fediverse. Since we need a Pleroma server, we'll use that first. I'm going to use my server just as an example. There are several servers that you can use. My server name is shitposter.club. We will register a new account. My username will be test123. Test123. Email. And I will enter a password. CAPTCHA. And get the CAPTCHA wrong. Now, we're on a Fediverse server, so we can start making posts. We will use the canonical hello world. Our post has shown up. We can talk with people by @ symboling. So we see a username, Mitsu, @ Mitsu, select it, and post a message. And it will go to that user. When the user replies, you'll be able to have a conversation. The conversation can be expanded by clicking on the plus on the side. And new posts will show up there. Alternately, you can post on the time here, and it will bring you to a brand new column containing that conversation. But we're here to interact with Random Encounter and the 10 Grands bot. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to beg some tokens from the 10 Grands account. Oh, we just got a reply. See? Right down there in the notifications. Anyway, to continue. The 10 Grands bot is on a different server, so we have to actually, unlike Twitter, append the server name onto the user. At 10 Grands at fedi.cc. And that's the name of the bot. And we're going to use the command beg. Now we can see that there was a reply that was made, and then down here we can see the reply. It says test123, you get 0.00018 10 Grands. You can beg again in 24 hours. So now we have a balance. We can use this token to tip the. Now let's play a game against Random Encounter. So we're going to follow Random Encounter. We'll go up here to the magnifying glass. Put @ Random wait while it thinks. Here we are. It's the first result. Random encounter at fedi.cc. We're going to follow that account. That way its posts will show up in our feed. There we are. And we'll go back to timeline. Right now it's the only account that we're following. So the only post that you see in your timeline is people that you follow. Now for the purposes of demonstration, I'm going to force random encounter to have a new encounter so that we can see right away what happened. I've now scheduled a random encounter to happen in 1 minute. And we have a monster. A Karen appears. Karen is appalled at the cleanliness of this dungeon and would like to speak to a manager. And she has 2 hit points. Now we'll go down to the smiley face, which is add reaction. And we will attack using a bomb. There we go. Now we've made an attack. You can see someone else has already also made an attack. As long as you reach the maximum hit points in 5 minutes, then you will win the encounter, and then a prize will be awarded, which will be split among the users. Now we just wait for the encounter to end. This usually takes about 5 minutes. Oh, and the encounter finished. We'll show new. The party patrolled the Karen. Then it uses the 10 grands bot itself to distribute money among everyone using a command called Make It Rain. And then we can see down below, random encounter, you have tipped each of Ilja, SJW, Pony, Mew Mew, Reag, and Test123 0.0005 10 grands. Now we can look at our updated balance. As you can see, our balance has been updated. Again, you can take this money and you can actually withdraw it, but we're not going to do that right now. And that's basically it. Several other monsters appear. You're able to react with them with special assuring that each emoji is the one that actually affects the monster, and win more 10 grands. It's a fun little game, and this is something that I've been taking the time recently to work on. Thank you.